How to use Apple gift card on Roblox. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, first of all, go ahead and open App Store in your mobile device. Once you open the App Store, you want to go ahead and simply tap on your profile icon. Inside here, you will then be able to find an option that says redeem gift card or code. Tap onto it, and just like that, tap on enter code manually right over here. So inside here, you want to go ahead and simply type in your Apple gift card code and then tap on redeem to redeem that gift card. So once redeemed successfully, head back to your home screen and then open up your Roblox application. So once you're inside Roblox, you want to go ahead and log into your account. Once logged in, simply tap on the Roblox icon right over here. And then you will then be able to find different amount of Robux. Go ahead and choose the one that you would like to purchase. And just like that, it will show you your Apple Pay or your Apple Wallet, and you'll then be able to successfully use your Apple gift card on Roblox. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned until our next upload.